Living in a humid climate brings unique challenges for homeowners, especially when it comes to maintaining indoor comfort. High moisture levels can make homes feel stuffy, increase humidity indoors, and put extra strain on cooling systems. Choosing the right window style plays an important role in managing these conditions. For homeowners in Mandeville, awning windows are an ideal solution because they support ventilation, moisture control, and year-round comfort. Designed to handle humid conditions, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design creates a protective canopy effect that helps keep rain out while the window is open. In Mandeville's humid climate, this allows homeowners to let fresh air circulate without worrying about moisture entering the home during light rain or damp weather. Supporting continuous airflow. Proper airflow is essential for managing humidity. When air becomes stagnant, moisture builds up indoors, making spaces feel uncomfortable. Awning windows allow controlled ventilation even when weather conditions aren't ideal. For Mandeville homes, this means stale, humid air can escape while fresh air flows in, improving overall indoor comfort. Helping control indoor humidity levels. Humidity control is one of the biggest comfort challenges in Mandeville homes. Poor ventilation can trap moisture inside, leading to discomfort and potential issues over time. Awning windows help regulate indoor humidity by encouraging consistent airflow. This helps balance moisture levels and keeps living spaces feeling fresher. Ideal for high moisture areas of the home, awning windows are commonly installed in kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry areas, rooms where humidity levels tend to be higher. In Mandeville homes, these windows support better ventilation in moisture-prone spaces, helping reduce lingering humidity and improving overall comfort. Tight seals improve energy efficiency when closed. Awning windows seal tightly against the frame, creating an effective barrier against outdoor air and moisture. This tight seal helps maintain stable indoor temperatures. For Mandeville homeowners, this means less humid air entering the home and more efficient performance from cooling systems. Improved security with ventilation. Awning windows provide a secure way to ventilate the home. Their outward opening design makes them harder to access from the outside when partially open. In Mandeville neighborhoods, homeowners can enjoy fresh air without sacrificing peace of mind. Space-saving design for flexible placement. Because awning windows open outward, they don't interfere with interior layouts. This makes them ideal for rooms with limited wall space or furniture placement challenges. For Mandeville homes, this flexibility allows windows to be placed where ventilation is most needed. Low maintenance in humid environments. Modern awning windows are built with materials designed to withstand moisture in daily use. Their simple operation helps reduce wear and tear over time. For Mandeville homeowners, this means fewer maintenance concerns and long-term reliability in a humid climate. Professional installation makes all the difference. To perform effectively in humid conditions, awning windows must be installed correctly. Professional installation ensures proper sealing and alignment. In Mandeville homes, expert installation helps awning windows deliver consistent comfort and moisture control. A smart window choice for Mandeville homes. Awning windows are well suited to Mandeville's humid climate. Their ability to promote airflow, control moisture, and seal tightly when closed makes them a practical and reliable window option. For homeowners seeking comfort and durability in a humid environment, awning windows offer a smart, long-term solution.